I'm so over all the negativity surrounding the Coach Outlet Powder Pink and Distressed Denim drop on February 25th, but I still wanted to talk about the Powder Pink collection, so let's get into it. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you know me, you know that I like what I like, but I'm allergic to full price. If that sounds like you, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. But I know if you watch me all the time, you know that I am not in the same place in my house as I normally am when I film. You're probably used to seeing handbags behind me. But I just wanted to film in an area in my house that gets natural light so I didn't have to deal with the lighting and everything. I really do miss filming in natural light. And right now where I'm living, I just have to make it do what it do with what I have. But I did decide to come up here today and just do something a little different. But I wanted to talk about the powder pink drop and show you guys all of my powder pink pieces, because as I started pulling stuff together, my collection is more extensive than I thought it was. So I thought it would be fun to just do a little show and tell and show you guys everything that I got. I've accumulated pieces over time. Like, I didn't get everything at once, which is probably why it didn't dawn on me how many pieces I actually had from this collection. There are some pieces from the old collection that I would still like to have, and there is one or two pieces, or I should say there are one or two pieces from the new collection that I wish I could get. So let's get into it. But before we do that, I wanted to talk a little bit about this Rowan. Just get a good look at this Rowan. This bag is gorgeous. And I'm going to zoom in on it so that you can really get details of this bag. But I moved into this bag the day after the drop, which would have been Thursday. I also went out of town that day, and I have been in it ever since. So it's going on 2 weeks at this point. But as you can see, this bag did come with charms. Now, everything on this bag didn't come from Coach. Some of these pieces I already had. So the large pink tea rose, of course, came with the bag. This chain charm also came with a bag, but the smaller tea rose I put on myself. This is something that was gifted to me from a member of the Coach Gone Road group. She sent it to me when I purchased something from her, just as a free gift. This tea rose also had a, rose gold colored hang tag, but I took that off. I didn't want the hang tag on there. But then I also put on this trigger stamp. So this was from last year's powder pink collection. As you can see, the leather on here is powder pink and not tan. And I think this bag looks nice like this. I wouldn't add anything to it. And I am probably one of the few people who prefer this version over last year's version. I like the brown leather trim on this bag. I think it makes the bag look more mature. I also think it makes it look more expensive. And I know it's just a matter of style and taste. Some people are going to completely disagree with me. But me, myself, I'm glad I didn't get the Rowan last year, because this one is much better and is more my style. And the zipper on this one is good. It's probably not going to be good the way I'm holding it. But it is a smooth zipper. If it's sitting down flat, it's a smooth zipper. It doesn't get caught like the zipper on some of my other Rowans. But I carried everything in this bag, really, and this baby can get heavy, but it's still manageable. Now, I will say that I tried to use a web strap that I had with another powder pink piece that I'll show you in a few minutes, and it wasn't as comfortable as I thought it was going to be. So I eventually switched to the leather strap that came with this bag. I don't have it right now because it is tucked away in another bag. But the leather strap that comes with this bag is actually pretty comfortable, even if you wear it as a crossbody and you pack this baby. Now, I can't speak for the large Rowan because I know that one holds a lot more, so the weight is going to be a lot. But for this regular or medium-sized Rowan, the leather strap that comes with this bag is just as comfortable as the web. It's actually more comfortable than the web strap that I have with this other piece that I'm going to show you in a minute. But I also think I know why that is. But y'all, I just want to say that I have really enjoyed carrying this bag. I just like looking at her. Sometimes when I'm out or in my car driving, I'll reach over and touch it or just glance real quick, because it's just something about this brown and pink that really does it for me. I'm just so glad that I got this piece, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about it before we moved on to the rest of my powder pink pieces. So I'm gonna go through each piece and tell you which drop it came from, in case you don't already know or can't recognize. So I have an umbrella, which I've used quite a few times. This came from last year's powder pink drop. And the one thing that confused me about this piece is that it had silver hardware when all of the Coach powder pink pieces at the outlet had gold hardware. But Coach does that sometimes, which I find weird and slightly annoying. I got the mini city bucket bag. This is from last year's drop. Now this piece comes with this shoulder strap, but it also has a long crossbody strap that goes with it that you can wear. Love this bag. I've worn it a couple of times as well. The interior is just like the city tote. It has the all pink interior with the zipper pocket. I took the hang tag off of this bag and it is in the aluminum case that I keep all of my charms in. Belt. This came from last year's drop. I've worn this once. So you got two pieces right here. I have my city tote and then the mini Rowan charm. So beautiful pink interior. I have the mini city tote. So this came with the web strap. Now this is the perfect piece in my opinion. And I've worn this quite a few times. I think, well, I may have only worn it once, but when I moved into it, I stayed in it for a while because it was just such a fun and easy carry. First of all, it holds more than you would expect. Second of all, this web strap makes it just such a nice crossbody piece. And this is the only bag I have in my collection that I think is equally as cute as a crossbody as it is a top handle. Y'all know I'm not really a crossbody girl, but I do like to wear a crossbody every so often if I need both hands or if I just want something small and out of the way. But I find that the bags that I wear as crossbodies or that are in my collection are top handle bags that have crossbody straps. And those bags to me just always look better as a top handle, even if they are the perfect size and shape for a crossbody, if that makes sense. But this one is the only one in my collection that I think is equally as cute as a crossbody as it is a top handle. And then because it's small, it's big enough to carry everything that you need. It never gets really heavy, and this web strap is comfortable on this bag. So I tried the web strap on the powder pink Rowan, and it was not comfortable. I found myself in the mall walking around within an hour, maybe two. I could feel the weight on my shoulders. And I don't know if it was because I thought it was just because of the way that the bag was hitting, but I went on ahead and switched out the strap and put the leather strap that came with that Rowan on. And even with the same things in that bag, I didn't have the issue. It was not uncomfortable. So I think, like, even though this web strap is wide, it's thin. So I just think maybe it was starting to dig into my shoulder, but it just wasn't as comfortable as I expected it to be with a bag that had a lot of weight on it, because I was carrying everything in that bag at one point. But we'll get into that in a couple minutes. So I have a notebook. This came obviously from last year's collection. And just in case you didn't know, like if there are any newbies watching this to Coach, last year's powder pink collection, the leather trim was pink. This year it's brown. So I'm telling you this is last year's, but just in case you didn't know, this pink is the marker of last year's powder pink collection. Passport cover. This came from this year's collection, and I already have my passport in here because I am going out of the country in July. So I thought I may as well move into it now, and she is back. She'll be put back in my safe where I normally keep her until I need to pull her out and use her. I have a corner zip wristlet. This is from last year's collection. And I have I always forget what this is called, and I didn't bother to look it up. So when I'm editing, I'll put it up there somewhere so y'all can see, just in case you want this wallet. But this is such a cool wallet because it's really two pieces in one. And I think it was only like $60, $70 at the most, but it's a card case and a wallet. So it snaps on and off. The card case has, as you can see, the card case has the signature canvas, and it has a zipper compartment in the back and 2 card slots in the front. These card slots are deep enough to hold at least 3 cards. I have 2 in each slot right now, but it can hold more. So it's 2 card slots, but it is definitely not limited to 2 cards. And then if you open it up, you'll see there are more card slots on the inside and a full-size billfold. So really nice wallet. I also have this in the yellow moonlight or hay, whatever they were calling that, to go with my yellow signature Rowan from last year's pastel drop. Certainly not least, and on its way to being my favorite piece from this entire collection, y'all get that bar? Y'all catch that bar? Is the Cosmetic case, vanity case, whatever Coach calls this. I love it. So glad again that I waited and didn't get this with the denim drop in January, because I used this almost immediately. So I went out of town Thursday the 26th, the day after the drop. So I packed this with me when I traveled, and I put all of my toiletries. I'll zoom in so y'all can see everything that this piece fits. But okay, I'm gonna show y'all what fits in this Cosmetic case. She packs a punch depending on how you pack her. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm packing for real because I have a trip this weekend. I'm leaving on Thursday, which is tomorrow, and I had already started packing this and figured I may as well film it to show y'all. So I started packing, putting the things in that were short enough to fit in standing up vertically, because they take up less space that way. So I have my Fenty Skin Hydra Visor. This is a moisturizer with SPF. I have Fenty Skin Fat Water. This is the toner. e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set, which I probably won't use. I don't even have a foundation right now, so, but I'm gonna bring it just in case. St. Ives, just a regular drugstore body wash, but perfect size for travel. And it's a coconut and shea butter. Smells really good. Fragrance for the weekend, Baccarat Rouge 540. Not a travel size, but it fits perfectly in here. So those are all the pieces I have that stand up straight in here. So the other ones I'll just put in. I have the Fenty Skin Nighttime Moisturizer and the Dove Lotion. My Fenty Skin Total Cleanser Face Wash. It's just a little too long to stand up straight. Vitamin C Dark Circle Cream. I haven't been using it long enough to say if it's effective, but y'all see me, I still look the same. Lock spray, keep the locks hydrated and smelling good. And the Power Stick. These all fit in here, and if you can see, I'm gonna put some up top so you can see what it looks like from up top. But as you can see, I put everything in here, and it zips with no problem. Now you can probably see how it looks a little taller on this side because I have items in here standing up, but it doesn't feel like it's stretching this case. So I'm going to leave it packed just like this. It works just fine. So this right here is just everything to me, well worth the money. And the other reason I'm glad that I waited, besides the fact that it's pink, is that because it's coated canvas, this is wipeable. So what I'm using this for, it can get stuff on it. So being that this is coated canvas, I can just wipe it down with a damp cloth or an alcohol-free baby wipe, and it will be as good as new. But there are a couple of powder pink pieces that I don't have from both lines that I wish I had in my collection. So from last year's drop, I wish I would have got the bucket hat. Like, I can still find the bucket hat online. I'm just not willing to pay what resellers are asking for it, or at least I haven't gotten that desperate yet, because it's like double, triple the cost. But I wish I would have got the bucket hat, and I wish I would have got a sneaker from last year. This year, I missed out on the pencil case, which I had posted a request on Coach Gone Rogue, just asking anybody, just in the far chance that they had an extra one and they wanted to sell, to DM me. So of course I haven't heard anything back, and I haven't bothered to call around with any of the stores. I figured at this point it's probably just one of those pieces I won't get. I haven't given up completely on it, but I'm about 85-90% there. The thing I wish I would have been able to grab from the powder pink collection was the laurel, and I could have been okay with the small laurel, but wasn't able to get that either. And y'all already know from the denim piece, I really wanted that denim Rowan, but I think I found an alternative that's half the price. Actually, it's less than half the price, and hopefully it will arrive in the next day or two so that I can show you guys what it is. But that is all that I have for you today. I just want to come on here and go through my entire powder pink collection and talk about the pieces that I would still like to add. Comment down below and let me know if you have any powder pink in your collection, and if there are any powder pink pieces that you are still looking for. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, if you're going to get it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later.